Good morning, children. Today we are doing chapter 2, We Go Online. This is the poem. In this poem, you will see what is the difference between the time of our grandparents and of ours. You know the meaning of online? When you use internet, you use your mobiles and computers. And think of the time when your parents or the grandparents were there and there were no computers and internet facility. Now let's start. There are many things that you and other children can do using the internet. You can do many things. You can see the pictures, you can read the books, you can listen to the songs. So many things you can do using the internet. And these days you are having your studies using internet. But as children, your grandparents did not have internet. And you know very well, when your grandparents were there was no internet. There were no e-books. E-books means the books can be read with the electricity. For them to read, they read only paper books. Think and say two more things that you do but your grandparents did not do when they were in the school. You can use your mind and you can tell me what these two things can be. These days you can chat with your friends on WhatsApp, but earlier your grandparents could not do that. These days you are having your studies through internet, but your parents did not have studies with the help of the internet. You are reading the books on internet these days with the help of computer and mobiles, but your grandparents have read them through the paper books only. Now, Grandpa can't read news in paper print so fine. He loves the large font of the news online. Now, as the grandpa has grown up, so he can't read the newspapers very finely due to eyesight, weak eyesight. So, the poet says, he loves the large font on the news online. If online the large font is there, he is easily reading the newspaper. I type and click the mouse to send short emails and not write letters to tell grandma my tales. Now the poet is saying these days the time is of internet, so he used to click on the mouse and click the mouse and send the short emails. He need not to send the letters to his grandpa or grandpa. There aren't many old tales on the shop shelves, but abc.com has loads on fairies and elves. He's saying there are not old tales on the shop shelves. Shop shelves we need not to go. We are having so many. On abc.com, the stories of fairies and elves. Dad likes to order things from online stores, so he has extra time to do the other chores. Now, Dad is also giving orders online and he is getting the things and he is using his time in other daily routine work. Now, children, you go on underlining the rhyming words: shelves, elves, stores and chores. And earlier also you can write fine, online, emails and tales. You go on writing these. I will be sending the pic also. Mum books are travel tickets in minute nephew. Now these days if you have to go somewhere else, your parents can book the tickets. Online tickets he or she can book in a few minutes. She does not have to stand in a winding queue. Winding queue means the queue that is not straight. It may have the curves or twists. So I can't ever skip few and queue. I can't ever skip homework and play with Snap. And the poet says कि these days I can't skip any homework or I can play with my friend because she always finds it on the school app, because the mother always finds the homework on the app. Things go fast online, but sometimes I feel sad. We don't sit in a theater with mom and dad. Now the computers are there, mobiles are there, and the poet says sometimes I feel sad because he is not getting the chance of sitting together in the theater with mom and dad. We don't sit on a field to watch racers run. We go online to work or watch shows for fun. Now the poet is happy with internet, but somewhere he is not happy with this internet online work, and he wants to sit in the fields to watch the racers, and he wants to work and watch shows for fun with his or her parents. So children, now this poem is complete and you have to learn these rhyming words, and in this we will be doing exercise C only. I will be sending the pics of this and you underline all these rhyming words and learn them and do the crossword puzzle. Very easy it is. You can do it easily. A book that can be read on the computer. This is e-book. Second is here, e-book. It is. Now next is, this can harm the computer. And now you know very well what can harm the computer. Virus. This virus will come here. And the next one is a plug and play stick you connect to the computer to copy or store information. This is the pen drive used to keep many files together. This is called folder, used to display what you type or read. Screen, computer screen. A letter sent using the internet. This is called email. Used to move the cursor on the computer screen. What is used to move the cursor on the computer screen? This is mouse. A set of keys for typing on the computer. This is called keyboard. Helps to connect computers, also called the net. This is called internet. You can make one to write your stories or poems and store it on the computer. Now, eighth down is you can make one to write your stories or poems and store it on the computer. 8. File. Now, greetings sent from the computer with the help of the internet. This is called e-card. Now children, you fill these crossword puzzle in your book, and in the exam I can ask you a letter sent using the internet. What is it called? Or in crossword puzzle it can be also given. Now you underline these and do these puzzles. Thank you all.